Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You start by opening Vscode and the integrated terminal. Make sure you know which shell you use because themes differ. Once the terminal is visible, open Settings with Ctrl+ and switch to the JSON view to edit user settings. You edit the terminal, integrated, commands to run or terminal, integrated, profiles, asterisk depending on shell, and prepare to add color sequences or theme overrides. This is where you begin changing palette entries and ensuring escape sequence support is enabled. Now you configure the color values and the active profile, open settings, JSON and add or modify terminal, integrated, color customizations with 16 ANSI slots or workbench, color customizations for name tokens. Make sure to reference your active profile using terminal, integrated, default profile, Windows Linux OS X. Once done, add environment variables if needed so your shell emits the correct ANSI codes. You can also point to a script that exports LS colors or finish by reloading the window or closing and reopening the terminal so new settings take effect. You should then test colors using Echo with ANSI sequences or by running a colorized tool like LS Color. If colors do not appear, make sure your shells and init files do not override term or reset color variables and ensure terminal. Integrated. Experimental use title event or escape processing is enabled. If problems persist, revert the last change and test one setting at a time to isolate the issue.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.